To access the ebooks and audiobooks in Sora, we need to go to clever.com, and when you get to clever.com, click this button, Log in as a student. Once you're here, click Student and Staff Login via Office 365. And if it does not look like this for you, you may have to search for Ida B. Wells Middle School. When you click that Sign In button, it's going to ask you to type in your student ID number at students.k12.dc.us, and then put in your password. That's going to open up Clever, and you can scroll down to find Sora under Library Resources, or you can simply do a search up here in the top right and search for Sora, S-O-R-A, and click it right here. Notice how it's also down here under Library and Resources. When you click that, it's going to launch Sora. And you're going to want to click on this button right here, I have a setup code. It's going to open up a blank on your screen, and you want to type in DCPS DC, and then click Get Started. You're going to then be brought to this page where you need to click this little drop down and select District of Columbia Public Schools Students. Click that, and then click the green button that says Sign In. Once you do that, it's going to open up this page, which is Sora's main web page, and